And last, we have candidate number 7. Candidate number 7, your judge is Mr. Nets Maglinde. Good morning po.
Good morning. Good morning sa'yo. Current issue tayo. Ang tanong ko ay, pabor ka ba na ma-impeach si Sara Duterte? Bakit? Yes or no? Sige po. Ano po?
Well, first of all, I would like to greet the people of this barangay. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa munting patimpalak. To the organizers, thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to showcase not only our beauty, but also our wit and talent. So going back to the question, am I in favor of the impeachment of Vice President Duterte? Why or why not? It is very, before I go to my answer, let me all remind you that this is my own political view. It is my own opinion. We have different perspective. Kung anong opinion mo, nire-respeto ko. Pero kung anong opinion ko, irespeto nyo rin sana. So impeachment is a very sensitive topic. Going back to the question, am I in favor? I am definitely not in favor of impeaching Vice President Sara Duterte because there is no hearing pa eh. Impeachment go through a very meticulous way. Kailangan ng ebidensya. Kung napatunayan na si Vice President Sara Duterte ay nagkasala sa mata ng batas, then go, impeach her. Ngunit kung napatunayan ng matatag at malakas na ebidensya na ang ating Vice Presidente ay wala namang ginagawang masama, no, don't impeach her. Because law will always be a law. And law should be abide of each and every one of us. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, thank you so much. And there you have it, our final 5.